If you just got an insurance estimate after an accident, there is something you need to understand right away. What you are looking at is not a final repair plan. It is a starting point, and very often it is missing critical items. Items that affect your safety, items that affect how your car is repaired, and items that cost you real money if they are not caught. I have been writing and reviewing collision estimates for over 30 years, and in this video, I am going to show you what insurance commonly leaves off your estimate, why it happens, and what you should do before repairs begin. Let me be very clear about something. Most insurance adjusters are not writing complete repair plans. They are writing estimates designed to control claim cost. That does not mean your car cannot be repaired properly. It means someone has to catch what was left off. If no one does, you pay the price later, either in safety or out of your own pocket. Insurance estimates are often written under time pressure. Many are written from photos. Some are written without the car being fully inspected. Almost all are written before the vehicle is disassembled. That means the estimate is missing labor operations, repair steps, and manufacturer-required procedures that cannot be seen on the surface. Insurance knows this. They also know that if an item is not written, it is not paid unless someone pushes for it. Let's talk about what gets left off most often. Disassembly and tear down labor. You cannot see all damage until parts are removed. If that labor is not written, the shop has to fight for it later. Safety procedures, airbag-related operations, seatbelt inspections, pre- and post-repair scans. These are not optional. They are required to confirm your vehicle is safe. Calibration operations. Modern vehicles have cameras, radar, and sensors. If these are not recalibrated after a repair, those systems may not work correctly. Blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control. If calibration is missing from the estimate, that is a problem. Then there are labor operations insurance considers included: corrosion protection, seam sealing, masking, setup time. These are real steps. They take real time, and they are often quietly omitted. Here's the part most people never hear. When items are missing, one of three things happens. The shop eats the cost, the shop cuts corners, or the customer gets delays, supplements, and repair headaches. None of those benefit you. And if you're cashing out or settling without repairs, missing items directly reduce your settlement amount. That is money you never get back. I want to clear up a common misconception. Insurance did not forget these items. They left them off because many people never question the estimate. If you approve it as written, the claim moves forward, and the savings stay with the insurance company. Before repairs start, your estimate should be reviewed by someone who knows what should be there, someone who understands repair procedures, labor operations, and how insurance estimates are written. That is exactly what EstiVerify does. We review your estimate line by line and identify what was missed, underwritten, or incorrectly written so you can make an informed decision before it is too late. Do not assume your estimate is complete, do not assume it is fair, and do not assume it protects you. Before repairs begin, run your estimate through EstiVerify. You only get one chance to get this right.